Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class stands as the epitome of automotive excellence, effortlessly blending cutting-edge technology, opulent comfort, and unmatched performance. As the flagship model of the German automaker, the S-Class represents the pinnacle of luxury and innovation in the automotive world. From its sleek and aerodynamic exterior design to its meticulously crafted interior, every aspect of the S-Class exudes sophistication and refinement. The iconic front grille, adorned with the prominent Mercedes-Benz emblem, commands attention on the road, while the flowing lines and elegant contours create an aura of timeless elegance. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of luxury and comfort. Premium materials such as handcrafted leather, wood trim, and brushed metal accents adorn every surface, creating an ambience of unparalleled luxury. The seats, designed with ergonomic precision, offer unparalleled comfort and support, ensuring a serene and enjoyable driving experience even on the longest journeys. But the true magic of the S-Class lies in its technological prowess. Boasting a plethora of advanced features and innovations, the S-Class sets new standards for automotive technology with each iteration. The latest models are equipped with an array of intelligent systems, including the groundbreaking BUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, infotainment system, which seamlessly integrates voice control, gesture recognition, and artificial intelligence to provide a truly intuitive and immersive driving experience. Safety is also a top priority in the S-Class, with an extensive suite of driver assistance systems and safety features designed to provide peace of mind on every journey. From adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist to active brake assist and pedestrian detection, the S-Class utilizes state-of-the-art technology to anticipate and mitigate potential hazards on the road. Under the hood, the S-Class offers a range of powerful and efficient engine options, delivering exhilarating performance and refined driving dynamics. Whether you opt for the smooth and responsive V6 or the potent V8, the S-Class delivers effortless acceleration, silky smooth refinement, and remarkable fuel efficiency. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury, combining exquisite craftsmanship, advanced technology, and unparalleled performance into a cohesive and captivating package. With each new generation, the S-Class reaffirms its position as the benchmark for luxury sedans, setting the standard by which all others are measured.